Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So today we are going to solve the exercises of maths class 8 exercise 2.1. Kindly note that what we are doing is we are solving the 2024 edition. So I guess that in the previous textbooks, if you are using an older one, you may not find these exercises. So before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you can find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. Now, if you have come to this video directly before moving on to the introduction, understanding what is a equation, what is a expression, what is a linear equation, I would request you to kindly check the introduction video first and then move on to this solution so that you understand it properly. So let's move ahead and start solving the equations one by one. So the first equation what is there is x minus 2 is 7. So we are, as I've told you, we always use the transpose method because that is quicker. So x minus 2 upon 7, what's going to be? We're going to transpose is over here. Transpose minus 2 on the right hand side. So you're going to get x is 7 plus 2. So the answer is x is equals to 9. Next equation, you have y plus 3 is equals to 10. Similar to this, y is going to be 10 minus 3. So you get y is equals to 7. Next equation we have, next equation we have 6 is equal to 7 plus 2. So what we are going to do, transpose these over here. So you have 6 minus 2 is equals to z. So z is equals to 4. Then equation 4 over here. Equation is what? 3 upon 7 plus x is 17 upon 7. So what you're going to do, you're going to transpose this over here. You leave the variables and the LHS and the move the constants on the other side. So you leave x over here and transfer this over here. 3 minus 17, 7. So when it moves over here, its sign is going to change. And then you solve it. This is going to be straightforward. 7 is the denominator common. So it's going to be over here 17 minus 3 is 14. So you'll have x is equals to 2. The next equation, equation 5. So equation is 6x is equal to 12. This is pretty straightforward. X is equals to 12 upon 6, wherein x is equals to 2. Equation 6 over here, t upon 5 is equals to 10. So t is nothing but 10 into 5, which is 50. Now here, if you have still some confusion regarding this, I would recommend you to cross check the video on the cross multiplication so that you are clear with your concepts. Now equation 7, 2x upon 3 is equals to 18 over here. So what we're going to do is 2x is equals to 18 into 3. So you have x is equals to 18 into 3 upon 2. You can see over here I have not multiplied it first. This is one tip which I would give you. Typically what students do is, you multiply this and then you try to divide it. No, you don't do it that way. You leave it as it is, because you can see over here when you multiply you get a bigger number, and when you're trying to simplify it, it becomes a bit tedious, more time consuming. So when you leave it smaller numbers, it's easier for calculation. So you can see 18 into 3 would be over here 54. So you're trying to divide 54 by 2, although it's easier, but it's much easier to divide 18 upon 2 than 54 upon 2 over here. So what I'm going to do is 2 9s are 18 over here. You can see x is 9 by 3. So x is 27. So let's check another equation, equation 8, which is there. 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. So the solution is what? Y is 1.6 into 1.5. So y is 2.4. Then equation 9 over here. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. So what you're going to do, 7x is equals to 16 plus 9. 7x is equals to 25. So x is 25 upon 7. Equation, okay, we have solved it further also. Approximation, this is in decimal. So x is approximately 3.57 over here. Equation 10, 14 minus y, 14y minus 8 is 13. So 14y is 13 plus 8. Y is going to be 13 plus 8 upon 14. Remember me telling you not to multiply or do the this thing earlier over here. So it's 21 upon 14 and y is 3 upon 2. 7 3 is 21 and 7 2s are 14. So y is equals to 1.5. Equation 11. So equation 17 is equals to 6p plus 9. 17 minus 9 is equals to 6p. So you have p is equals to 17 minus 9 upon 6, which is 8 upon 6. Further simplified, 4 by 3, and which is approximately equal to 1.33 in decimals. So equation 12, which is the last of the equation in this particular exercise 2.1. So equation is x upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 15. So you're going to solve it like x upon 3 is 7 upon 15. This is going to move over here, negative sign, minus 1. So you'll have x upon 3 is 7 minus 15 upon 15. So 15 ones are 15 over here, and denominator will be common. So you'll have x upon 3 is minus 8 upon 15. So x is how much? Minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3. 3 and 5 are going to cancel. 3 and 15. So you'll have negative 8 upon 5. So x is negative 1.6. This is the solution to x. So we have solved all the equations of exercise 2.1 for class 8, new version of maths. So you can check out the other exercises also, 2.2, etc. And I hope this was useful and you could understand. I would say don't try and that I've given you the solution. Do practice it yourself once you understand it. So you don't try to copy this particular video step by step. You understand this video and you can sit down with your notebook and try to do it on your own. And if you don't get it, you can recheck the video and check out the other videos to understand the concepts. However, still if you have any difficulty, you can always ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to help you out. So before winding off, as usual, a humble request, please do like this video, share this video across, and make sure that you've joined the channel by subscribing to it. So until the next video, take care and be safe.